Hi everybody, this is Wendy at the Broken Needle, and I wanted to show you a cute travel machine that's also great for beginners. The Janome Magnolia 7318 is lightweight and affordable. It has an embossed ruler on the free arm and a slide-out storage case. Bobbin winding is easy with the Magnolia 7318. It also has a top-loading full rotary hook bobbin. It has an easy-to-use stitch selector guide printed on the front. Just turn the knob to select your stitch, and off you go. The reverse lever is conveniently located. Stop by the Broken Needle and test this cute little machine out today. We look forward to seeing you.